The 66 books of the Bible. Old Testament: Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Joshua, Deuteronomy, Ruth, Judges, 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel, Numbers, 1 Chronicles, 2 Chronicles, Ezra, Job, Proverbs, Psalms, Nehemiah, 1 Kings, 2 Kings, Esther, Ecclesiastes, Isaiah, Song of Songs, Ezekiel, Daniel, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Obadiah, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zephaniah, Zechariah, Malachi. The New Testament of the Bible: Matthew, 1 Corinthians, 2 Corinthians, Ephesians, 1 Thessalonians, 2 Thessalonians, John, Luke, Mark, Romans, Colossians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Titus, Hebrews, Philemon, 1 Timothy, 2 Timothy, James, 1 John, 2 John, 3 John, 1 Peter, 2 Peter, Revelation. The 66 books of the Bible.